Hello viewers. Welcome to Tech Geeks for another video tutorial. Today we will discuss how to send videos larger than 16 megabytes on WhatsApp. WhatsApp has become the ultimate sharing platform for everyone hanging with their smartphones all over the world. However, while sharing videos, it's not possible to share a video greater than 16 megabytes. And forget about the videos we shoot on our phone, they are so large that sharing them in WhatsApp is out of the question. The only way to send the large videos is by converting them to smaller formats and then sharing. Today, we are going to solve this problem for all the users of WhatsApp, be it for Android, iOS, and Windows. For that, you will just need a basic video conversion app. Firstly, you need to download a video converter app. There are a lot of video converters in the Play Store. We suggest that you get a free one. In our case, this video converter worked the best for us. Once you have successfully installed the app, open it. Here, you'll find options for trimming and compressing of a particular video. Or, if you want to compress a set of videos, you have batch compression option as well. Now, just select the video you want to compress and compress it to a size and resolution which converts the video below 16 megabytes. After selecting the resolution, click on the top right button on the screen and the compression starts. The video will be saved to your gallery from where you can share it on your WhatsApp. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to Tech Geek for more tutorials.